What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind. But still, the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders, are still losing money, as I say many, many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves. But if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to our next video. In this video, you will learn on how to determine an Asian range and a kill zones with London session and New York session. So let's get started. So by the way, for the Asian range, we usually use our XL indicator. So all of the Excel students will get this indicator right here, this one. If you are like wanted to get this, you may email us your concern or your inquiry, and then we'll lead you to Forex XL courses for you to have this indicator. So most of the time, Asian range have a no momentum movement. So as you can see on our example here in EURUSD, on the boxes on this one, this is all the Asian range. Like this one, you notice that there's no swing on this. So as you notice here, so if you could try to analyze the pattern or the structure, we are bullish over here. So let me just put this label. So as you can see here, there's a liquidity build up on this one. So as you can see, this is a Asian low right here. So notice that when the London session is, or the during London session, price swept the liquidity below this one. So let me go ahead to 15-minute time frame. So as you noticed, this is an equal low, and then at the same time this is residing below Asian range. And then notice that when London session is um is in, the price went back on this demand area that we've plotted, and then makes a bullish movement on lower time frame, as you can see here, like in 3 minutes. So notice that when the price stops here in demand zone, it has a change of character to the upside. And then um this one is in a correction phase, and respected this area right here. The last down candle here that caused this move towards upside. So it happened again, a bullish move. And then when you try to check, um the price went here almost in the Asian high, but on the next day it was um have this like equal high on the Asian range. Well, mostly markets are building up building up a liquidity during Asian range, like on this example. So let's try to. So Asian range has no momentum, and you will see a big move or liquidity swept or sweep during London session and New York session. So let's see more example. So notice here as well, this one, it's in Asian row, it's in Asian low, and then the market has this sweep here. So for me it's still a bullish because as you can see here, price during the New York session on the previous day, price did this impulsive move to the upside. So um I'll take this as my demand. But notice as well that there is imbalance here from this area to this area. So you may see that price tapped on that imbalance and trying to fill that up for an equal price um for this one. So it's always better to see it in the lower time frame, like 1 hour, 1 minute, or 3 minute time frame. As you can see here, prices did a bullish or an uptrend um move. So we wanna make sure that you know um we're not entering on the liquidity area of this one. So this was respected, but at the same time we wanna, so the price tap on this imbalance, right? So we wanna make sure that we're entering on the correct demand, because as you can see here, price is like building up a liquidity again. So it might like have a big push to the downside and then go upside. So I noticed that there is a break of structure here, and then on this area, but have respected this. As you can see, this last down candle that caused the break. So you may, or I can ensure on this area and put my stop loss here or in this one. So let's see. So I'll try to put that above this Asian high, because as you notice during our previous lessons, it is a liquidity above this area. So price might go here. Price might go here and sweep above all the stop losses here. So let me try to check if so. Okay, so another break of structure in 1 minute. So notice here that it reaches this liquidity, or should I say the equal high, and based on this indicator, it's in the Asian high or the Asian range high. So it took the stop losses above it. So let me see. So it continues to go to the upside. So you can see here that it will always respect the higher time frame key levels. So you might try to check it on our supply and demand videos. So yeah, so I may add TP may you want to like put that equal low or high. So so yeah, it is better to like backtest this one if you have the indicator, and try to try to check all the equal lows, or all the Asian low and Asian high that forms liquidity. And you notice that during London session and New York session, it will like swept the liquidity like this example here. And after sweeping all the liquidity, price will have the big moves towards the upside, or what will be like the trend on the higher time frame. So yeah, hope that you learned something on this video, and see you on next one. Bye.